Big enough headset there, bud? They're big boys. What are those? Dude, you should review them. AUDEZE gifted us their $900 LCD GXs. And I'm no audiophile, but here's my take. So the LCD GXs are gonna come with a very heavy duty flight case with a nice satisfying latch to protect it during shipping and also in transport. And then one cool thing is there's a certificate of authenticity that was actually hand signed. So that's some cool attention to detail. It's gonna come with 2 keys so you can actually lock the flight case if you wanted to. We've got 2 cables. We've got this really nice braided cable where these ends are gonna plug into the headset, and then that leads to a 1/4 inch connection. And the main reason these are called a headset is because they come with this cable right here that actually has a boom microphone. So these ends are gonna plug into your headset. And then we've got this end, which is a 3.5 millimeter, and you can plug this into your devices. And it also comes with a splitter cable depending on the application where you're using these. So let's talk about the design. So these are an open back headphone, so there is going to be some sound leakage. But because of this design, the sound is more spacious and natural, and I found it much easier to pinpoint the direction of instruments and gunfire and footsteps compared to other headsets. They have a magnesium housing and come in at 460 grams, so they're not exactly lightweight, but I didn't feel like they were really heavy on my head either. They have a very simple adjustment mechanism on both sides. They have very large ear cups where my ears fit perfectly inside and they're really comfortable. And I also found the suspension headband to be very comfortable as well. They have planar magnetic drivers and they have an impedance of 20 ohms. So you can basically plug these into any device that you want and you don't really need anything to power them. So as far as the sound, I tested these directly into my phone, directly into my computer, into my audio interface, and also into a DAC amp, and the sound is absolutely fantastic. It's very rich and balanced where the bass is solid but not overbearing. The mids are warm and clear, and the highs are smooth without being super sharp. They have a very excellent soundstage and spatial sense, and I found them to be very expansive and immersive, especially for gaming. And last but not least, here is a test for the microphone. So would you guys consider a $900 headset? Let me know down in the comments. And if you are interested in something like this, just make sure you do your research and you watch as many reviews as you can to see if they're right for you. Thanks for watching. See y'all in the next video.